Save money for new immigrants in USA. 1. Moving to America can be exciting, but smart money habits should begin the day you arrive. 2. First rule, track every dollar in your wallet so you always know where your money goes. 3. Start small and choose affordable housing while you build financial stability. 4. Saving cash early gives you peace of mind and protects you from emergencies. 5. Sit down each month and review your rent, food, transport, and utility costs. 6. Compare apartment prices online before signing any lease to avoid overpaying. 7. A simple home today can help create a stronger future tomorrow. 8. Compare grocery prices carefully and buy only what you really need. 9. Store brands often cost less and can save hundreds every year. 10. Focus on budget foods like rice, eggs, bread, milk, and vegetables. 11. Cooking at home is one of the fastest ways to save money in the USA. 12. Meal prep for the week helps reduce waste and expensive takeout spending. 13. Use a calculator and build a monthly budget that matches your income. 14. Turn off lights and manage electricity use to lower utility bills. 15. Smart thermostat settings can save money every single month. 16. Fixing leaks quickly can reduce water bills and prevent damage costs. 17. Public transportation can be cheaper than owning a car right away. 18. Trains and buses help many new immigrants save money daily. 19. Riding a bike can cut gas costs and improve your health too. 20. Always compare gas prices before filling your tank. 21. Buy a reliable used car only when your budget truly allows it. 22. Compare insurance quotes online to avoid paying more than necessary. 23. Cancel subscriptions you do not use and keep more money each month. 24. Avoid unnecessary credit card debt and spend with discipline. 25. Open a free checking account to manage money safely and easily. 26. Use direct deposit so your paycheck arrives faster and securely. 27. Try the envelope budgeting method for rent, food, and transport. 28. Even small savings added weekly can grow into something powerful. 29. Build your credit score slowly by paying bills on time. 30. Make a debt payoff plan and stay consistent every month. 31. A side hustle can create extra income for faster savings growth. 32. Online freelance work can be a smart second income stream. 33. Sell items you no longer need and turn clutter into cash. 34. Overtime work can help speed up your financial progress. 35. Enjoy free parks and low-cost activities instead of expensive entertainment. 36. Family fun does not need to cost a lot of money. 37. Use coupon apps to lower grocery bills instantly. 38. Discounts at checkout can save more than you think. 39. Watching your savings grow builds confidence and motivation. 40. Small consistent habits create long-term financial growth. 41. Build an emergency fund so surprises do not hurt your budget. 42. Read every lease carefully before signing any rental agreement. 43. Tax refunds can become a great boost for savings or debt payoff. 44. Professional tax help may save you money and mistakes. 45. Set clear family goals and work together toward success. 46. With discipline and smart choices, financial freedom is possible in America. 47. Protect your cash, documents, and future opportunities wisely. 48. Start today, stay focused, and build the life you came for. 49. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. 50. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share Save Smart USA for more smart money tips for new immigrants in USA.